This Align Right Realty property video is presented by George Hahn. This spectacular Capri floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2-bedroom west/den, 2-bath, 2-car garage home is a must-see. The spacious great room floor plan is perfect for entertaining. Living area opens to the screened lanai with pond view. Diagonal tile is throughout the living areas with carpet in the bedrooms. The chef in the family will love the gourmet kitchen with eating space, featuring 42 cabinets west/crown molding, glass cabinet, over and under mount lighting, tile backsplash, granite countertop, and stainless steel appliances. Owner suite offers his and her walk-in closets, coffered ceiling, private exit to lanai, and private ensuite bath has double sinks with tiled shower and separate bath. Hurricane shutters installed on all windows. Located in the sought-after, resort-style, 55+ community-Valencia lakes. The waterfront outdoor recreation area includes resort-style heated pool, lap swim area, and resistance pool. Inside the resort-style clubhouse, you will find a huge social hall for events, aerobics, fitness, steam rooms, saunas, billiards, card room, internet cafe, and more. The community also includes Har-Tru tennis courts, half-court basketball, racquetball, horseshoes, shuffleboard, and bocce courts, dog park, baseball park, and RV, boat storage area. Convenient to Tampa Airport, medical facilities, shopping, and golf. This premier community is located 30-45 minutes from Tampa, St. Pete, and Sarasota. For more information, review the details below or contact George Hahn at 813-833-4130.